Dream as if you will live forever, live as if you will die today. James Dean. Dreams. Whether we dream with closed eyes or open, it plays a huge role in our life. From influencing our sleep and day to day life to inspiring us to become what we desire. Dreams affect us more than you realize. If we have a bad dream, we'll be stressed about it for long. If we have a good dream, we'll be happy before we forget about it all. This is because our brain's safety feature that prevent us from getting confused between dreams and reality, between real memories and dream memories. Because our brain cannot distinguish between real experiences and illusions. But what if we could control our dreams? Would we be able to learn and master new skills and abilities? And what if we could access our subconscious mind in our dreams? This is Mind Elysium and you are watching Lucid Dreaming, the gateway to your subconscious mind. The term lucid means vivid or clear. Hence the meaning of lucid dream is vivid or clear dreams. In a lucid dream, you know that you are dreaming. You are conscious of your awareness during the dream state. Thus you control your dreams. We all dream different kinds of dreams, while some people may have same dream more than once. You can do anything, become anyone in your dreams. You can even eat a house of candy or become your favorite superhero and fly. Every human being spends 1/3 of his life sleeping. But what if you could control your dreams and do whatever you wanted? You could learn a new language or any other real life activity that you can't do due to lack of time. Or you can just flying around the world and eating what you love. Studies shows that 55% people experience lucid dream at least once in their lifetime. But what exactly is lucid dream? A lucid dream is a dream which is very clear and vivid. In other words, a lucid dream is a very clear and vivid dream in which you become aware that you are actually dreaming and also gain control to manipulate your dream. As compared to a normal dream, which is like you are watching a movie, a lucid dream is more like playing a virtual reality video game. There's been a lot of movie already made about lucid dreaming, but the best movie that shows about lucid dream is movie Inception. Now, what makes a dream lucid? It's our conscious awareness. But the question is, how do you become aware in the dream? The answer is simple. In a dream, when we experience something that makes us realize that something is weird and that such a situation is not possible in real life, and that shatters the barrier between the dreams and the consciousness. I call these experiences triggers. A trigger could be anything, a thought, a memory like seeing a person who is no more, or any unusual thing that triggers your consciousness, like your finger passing directly through your palm. Lucid dream usually occurs in a deep sleep, during rapid eye movement or REM state. REM sleep is a state when a person having a deep sleep and his eyes move left and right rapidly. This state is also known as healing state. In this state, our body heals itself and the essential hormones like HGH are also released in this state. Now, how to experience lucid dream? In order to experience lucid dreams, you need to get more REM sleep. Since lucid dreaming usually happens during REM sleep, spending more time in this state will increase your chances of lucid dreaming. You can extend REM sleep by getting enough sleep overall. When you have healthy sleep habits, your body can properly cycle through all 4 stages of sleep. To practice a good sleep hygiene, you must do following things. Follow a sleep schedule, exercise daily, avoid electronics before bed, create a relaxing sleep environment, avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. Even if you don't lucid dream, these habits will help you get restorative sleep. And by following few techniques, you can experience lucid dream as well. Technique number 1. Keep a dream journal. Many people use a dream journal or dream diary to aid lucid dreaming. Writing down your dreams forces you to recall them. This thought is to help your brain become more aware of dreaming. To keep dream journal, keep a notebook and pen beside your bed. Write down your dream as soon as you wake up. because remember, we usually forget our dream within our first 10 minutes after waking up. Read your dream journal regularly to familiarize your brain with your dreams. Technique number 2. Practice reality testing. Your level of consciousness is similar when you are awake and dreaming. So by increasing your awareness during your waking state, you can enhance your awareness during your dreaming state. Reality testing is a very popular way to do this. It trains your mind to recognize your own awareness while you are awake. The method involves doing reality checks throughout the day. As reality testing becomes a habit, you will be able to induce awareness while dreaming. The popular reality checks are: Number 1. Finger through palm. Push your finger against your opposite palm. If they pass through, you are dreaming. Number 2. Mirrors. In a dream state, your reflection won't look normal. Number 3. Nose pinch. Pinch your nose. You will be able to breathe if you are in a dream. Number 4. Reading. Look away from text, then look back again. If you are dreaming, the text will change. Number 5. Tattoos. If you have tattoos, look at them. They will look different in a dream. Choose one reality check and do it several times a day. You may have to experiment with the different reality checks to determine which works best for you. You can also try induction techniques. While lucid dreaming often happens randomly, it's possible to initiate lucid dreaming through induction technique. Induction technique number 1. Wake back to bed. WBTB. Wake up 5 hours after bedtime. When you go back to sleep, you will be more likely to enter REM sleep while you are still conscious. Induction technique number 2. Mnemonic induction of lucid dream, MILD. Tell yourself that you will lucid dream tonight. You can do it before bed or when you are awake during WBTB. Induction technique number 3. Wake initiated lucid dream, WILD. In WILD, you enter REM sleep from wakefulness while maintaining your consciousness. It involves lying down until you have a hypnagogic hallucination, sleep paralysis. To increase your chances of lucid dreaming, use these techniques with reality testing and dream journaling. Now let's talk about the benefits and advantages of lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming decreases nightmares and relieves anxiety. It also increases motor skills and enhances creativity. But because we are going against our brain and nature, there are also some risks of lucid dreaming. The risk of lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming is generally considered safe, but there are some risks for people with mental health disorders. Number 1. Sleep problem. Since lucid dreaming techniques purposely interrupt sleep cycles, getting enough sleep can be difficult. The risk is higher if you have a sleep disorder. Number 2. Depression and anxiety. While lucid dreaming relieves anxiety, it can also intensify depressive symptoms and anxiety due to sleep issues. Sleep issues can intensify depressive symptoms and anxiety. Number 3. Derealization. Lucid dreaming meshes reality and dreaming, making it difficult to determine what's real and what's not. Remember, our brain cannot distinguish between real experiences and illusions. Number 4. Disassociation. The overlap of reality and dreaming can also cause disconnection from your surroundings or self. Well, these are some risks of lucid dreaming. You can avoid first two risks by not using the WILD and WBTB method. Now let's come to the conclusion. During lucid dreaming, you are aware of your dream as it happens, and you can control the dream storyline. If you would like to explore lucid dreaming, try the tips in this video. Lucid dreams may potentially reduce nightmares and relieve anxiety and improve your motor skills and creativity as well. Use caution if you have a sleep or mental disorder. Attempting to lucid dream poses several risks, including sleep interruption and derealization. I still recommend you to talk to a therapist or a sleep specialist before trying to lucid dream. In the next part of this video, I'll tell you my experience with lucid dream, how I did it in the first attempt. Let me know in the comments below if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and comment down below how and when you experienced your own lucid dreams. So until then, it's goodbye.